We'll guide you through how to create a 3D image in Photoroom. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating 3D images makes their designs look more modern, creative, and professional. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Photoroom on your device already so you can follow each step smoothly. For example, I downloaded it on my Android phone for this tutorial, but you can also use other supported devices if available. If you have not installed it yet, you can download it from the Play Store, which is safe to use anytime and easy to access. Click Photoroom to open the application on your device screen and wait until the main interface is fully loaded. At the beginning, you will see 4 main menus: Home, AI Tools, Batch, and Content, which provide different features. Open the Content menu, then click Continue with Google so your design will be saved automatically and securely. Next, click New Design to start your project creation process and move to the photo selection screen. Make sure you prepare 2 images, one for the background and one for the object, before continuing to the next step. Select the phone screen image that will be used as the background so it becomes the base of your design. After selecting it, make sure to click Skip Background Removal first so the image remains unchanged. Next, click the Insert menu on the Available Toolbar section to add another image into the canvas. Then choose the second image from your gallery storage, which will act as the main object. After it is added, scroll down and find the Cutout option to begin removing its background. Click Cutout, then choose Automatic so the background of the second image is removed automatically by the system. After that, adjust the size and position of the image so it looks like it is coming out of the phone screen realistically. Once done, scroll down and enable shadow for better visual depth effect and a more realistic look. Choose the shadow that looks suitable to you based on preference and overall composition. Click Done, and the 3D image in Photoroom has been successfully created. Click Export to save the file to your device storage.